Hello my dear students, welcome to CMI's online classes. In today's class for the students of standard 6, we will continue with chapter 7 of our English grammar, adjectives. And in this video, we will understand the degrees of comparison of adjectives. Degrees of comparison of adjectives. Comparison of adjectives means whenever we compare a noun or a pronoun with another noun or pronoun, we use adjectives to compare them. Why adjectives? Because we have already understood adjectives in our previous video with its definition and examples, that adjectives are the words that show the qualities of nouns and pronouns. They qualify nouns and pronouns by showing their qualities, quantities, numbers, shapes, sizes, colors, etc. That means adjectives show the qualities of nouns. See, qualities. So whenever we compare a noun with another noun or a pronoun with another pronoun, we bring their comparison by showing their qualities or by showing their work. So in case of comparing a noun with another noun or a pronoun with another pronoun, when we use in comparison by using their work, we use adverbs. But here we are discussing about adjectives. Okay, so in adverbs also, whenever we compare a noun or a pronoun with another noun or pronoun by showing their work, there also we have 3 degrees of comparison of adverbs. Like we have here 3 degrees of comparison of adjectives: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So these 3 degrees, these 3 degrees depend upon how we are comparing noun with another noun or a pronoun with another pronoun. That we will understand in this chapter. How do we compare a noun or a group of noun or a pronoun with another noun or pronoun? In what way do we bring their comparison? In positive degree, we have to understand what is comparative degree, how do we compare nouns or pronouns in comparative degree, and superlative degree, how do we compare a noun or a pronoun with another noun or pronoun in superlative degree. This we will understand in this video. Okay, how this positive degree is changed and formed into comparative degree, and how this comparative degree is changed into superlative degree. So what kind of comparison should be done in positive degree and what kind of comparison should be brought up in comparative degree, and what kind of comparison should be brought up in superlative degree, and how these degrees are formed with their word structures, we are going to understand in this video. So I want you all listen to the explanation very attentively so that you will understand all the formation of these degrees of comparison of adjectives. Okay, students. So the first degree of comparison of adjective is positive degree of adjective or positive degree of comparison of adjectives. So what do you mean by positive degree of adjectives? Positive degree of adjectives का मतलब क्या होता है? So we all know that adjectives are the words that qualify or describe nouns and pronouns by showing their qualities, quantities, numbers, shapes and sizes, etc. So here how to identify the used noun, the used adjective is in positive form. Okay, so let us understand with its definition. An adjective is said to be in the positive form. हम उस समय adjective को positive form मानेंगे जिस समय if it is used merely to describe a noun or a pronoun. If that noun, if that adjective is used to just describe a noun or pronoun, अगर वो adjective सिर्फ without showing any comparison, if that adjective is used to describe or qualify a noun or a pronoun, then that adjective is positive degree of adjective. Okay, mostly it does not bring comparison. So whenever we use positive degree of adjective, we do not show comparison. Okay, mostly. But it does not mean that by using positive degree of adjectives, we don't bring comparison. Sometimes it brings comparison also, but we have to understand how. If it brings a comparison, if we use positive degree of adjectives to show the comparison, what happens at that time? The qualities shown are similar to another nouns or pronouns with which the nouns are compared. तो उस समय, जिस समय हम पॉजिटिव डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव यूज करके कंपैरिजन दिखाने की कोशिश करते हैं, तो उस समय जिस क्वालिटीज को हम दिखाते हैं उस क्वालिटी को हम इक्वल दिखाते हैं. वी शो इक्वल इन द क्वालिटीज using which we are showing comparison. Like for examples, Ram is a tall boy. So Ram is a boy. So what kind of boy he is? Tall boy. So tall is an adjective. Okay, so here tall is just used to compare, to describe the noun. Here we are not showing any comparison. So this is positive degree of adjective. This is adjective, and which degree? Positive. And another one is Sita is a good girl. Sita is a girl. What kind of girl? Good. So here we are not showing comparison of Sita with anyone. Okay. So here good is positive adjective. Okay. Now see, Ram is as tall as Sam. Here we are bringing comparison between Ram and Sam. We are comparing two nouns. But if you see, the quality here is tall. We are talking about which quality of being tall. So here, however the Ram is tall, the same height is of Sam. So this quality, they are equal in this quality. Okay, like Sita is as good as Rita. So we are comparing Sita with Rita, but the quality of being good is similar. Understood? So whenever we show comparison by using positive degree, we use the word as before and after the adjective. Understood? So this is also an example of simile, showing comparison. Okay, direct comparison by showing qualities. That quality is adjective. Understood, students? Are you clear about positive degree of adjectives? I hope you are. But if still you have doubt, so you may ask me during the class period. Now, another degree of comparison of adjectives, that is comparative degree of adjectives. So what is comparative degree of adjectives? So let us understand. An adjective is said to be in the comparative form. So adjective को हम तब comparative form में मानते हैं when, if it is used to show the comparison between two nouns or two groups of nouns. जब हम किसी एक नाउन को या एक ग्रुप ऑफ नाउन्स को दूसरे नाउन के साथ या दूसरे ग्रुप ऑफ नाउन्स के साथ कंपेयर करते हैं, तो उस समय हम जिस एडजेक्टिव का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, दैट एडजेक्टिव इज कंपैरेटिव adjective. Understood? Usually the comparative degree of adjectives are followed by the word than. So whenever we use comparative degrees of adjectives, जब भी हम comparative degree of adjective का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, तो उस समय हमेशा से ज़्यादातर उस adjective के बाद than, word than का use होता है. Understood? Let us see in examples. For examples, Rohan is taller than Karan. So we are comparing Rohan with Karan. So there is difference in this quality of being tall. So tall, I have used here taller. So taller is the adjective here, and it brings the comparison between two nouns, Rohan and Karan. So this comparative degree of adjectives, it shows the differences in qualities by using which we show the comparison of nouns. Understood? Like here, see, they have difference in height. Understood? Rohan is taller than Karan in their height. Like Karim is better in mathematics than Wasim. So we are comparing Karim with Wasim. So what difference? They have difference of being good in mathematics. That is better. Okay. Better is the adjective here. So we have used better to bring comparison between Karim and Wasim. By using better, we show the differences in their quality. So this is comparative degree of adjectives. Understood? So the comparative degree of adjectives bring comparison between two nouns or two groups of nouns, and they bring difference in their qualities whenever we show their comparison. Now the last degree of comparison of adjectives, that is superlative degree of adjectives. So what is superlative degree of adjectives? Let us understand. An adjective is said to be in the superlative form. हम adjective को superlative adjective, वो adjective superlative form में है उस समय मानते हैं कब? When it is used to compare with the rest of the nouns of their kinds, or the group of nouns is compared with all other groups of nouns of their kinds. जब एक नाउन को हम उसके जैसा बाकी सारे नाउन्स के साथ कंपेयर करते हैं और किसी ग्रुप ऑफ नाउन्स को बाकी ग्रुप्स ऑफ नाउन्स उसके जैसा बाकी ग्रुप ऑफ नाउन्स के साथ कंपेयर करते हैं, तो उस समय हम जिस एडजेक्टिव का इस्तेमाल करते हैं वो सुपरलेटिव डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स होते हैं. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग टू अंडरस्टैंड? Usually the superlative degree of adjectives are preceded by the definite article the. So whenever we use the superlative degree of adjectives, before using superlative degree of adjectives we use the definite article the. Understood? This has to be understood whenever we are studying articles also. Article the is used before the superlative form of adjectives. Understood? Like for examples, Arun is the tallest boy in his class. So here Arun is being compared with the other boys of his class. Okay, and among all other boys, Arun is the tallest. Okay, Arun is the tallest boy. So here Rahul is the best batsman of our team. So we have so many batsmen. We have many batsmen in our team, but among all of them, Rahul is the best. So best is the superlative degree of adjective, and we see that definite article the is used here. As in case of comparative degree of adjectives also, I had told you that the word than is used after adjective. So this is adjective. So than is used after the adjective. Okay. Here better is adjective. So here than has come after the adjective we have used. Understood, students? Now we will understand how to change positive degree of adjectives into comparative degree and superlative degree with their word structures. Okay. So before that we have to understand that again there are two types of degrees of comparison of adjectives. One is regular degrees of comparison of adjectives. First we will see this regular degrees of comparison of adjectives. Understood? So to understand how to frame the structure of the degrees of adjectives, at first we have to understand syllable, word syllable. Okay, syllable means unit of words. See, whenever we divide the words into their parts depending upon the pronunciation. Okay, जब हम किसी भी शब्द को उच्चारण करके उसको डिवाइड करते कि कितने बारे में हम उसे कंप्लीट कर पाते हैं, सो ईच पार्ट को हम सिलेबल कहेंगे, सिलेबल कहते हैं. तो व्हाट सिलेबल? एट फर्स्ट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट सिलेबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ the degrees of adjectives. So here positive degree. So I have written here long. Long is the positive degree of adjectives and it has only one syllable. One syllable, because we cannot divide this word with pronunciation. It can be pronounced at once. So long को हम एक ही बार में pronounce कर पाते हैं, तो इसे हम single syllabic word कहते हैं. Okay, single syllabic adjective और single syllabic word. Understood? Now अगर adjective single syllable का हो तो हम उसमें सिर्फ comparative degree में उसके बाद er ऐड करेंगे, like longer, long, longer, er ऐड करेंगे तो positive comparative degree हुआ. अगर est ऐड करते हैं तो superlative degree होता है, long, longer, longest. Comparative degree er, superlative degree est. Okay, so like short, shorter, shortest. Okay, now see, this is wise. Wise is also single syllabic word. Okay, because we can pronounce it at once, wise. But if you see, it has ended with e. Okay, if any single syllabic word or adjectives end with e, then we just have to add r only, because e is already here. No need to add e again. So er, wiser, wisest. In comparative degree, just add r, and in superlative degree, t. st. Understood? Because e is already here. Understood? That means wise, positive degree, wiser, comparative degree, and wisest, superlative degree. Now hot. Another important information to understand here about the formation of degrees of adjectives. This is hot. Hot is also a single syllabic word, but it ends with consonant and it has a vowel before it. If any single syllabic word ends with single consonant and has single vowel before it, in that case we have to double the consonant, double that consonant, and after that we have to add er, like hot, hot. So here in case of comparative degree we have to double this consonant t, hotter, and in superlative degree also double consonant and est. Understood? I hope you are clear. Like sad, sadder, saddest, fit, fitter, fittest. Okay, double consonant. Understood? Now see example number 4. Easy, healthy, number 5. Number 6, handsome. See, easy, double syllabic word, 2 syllable, words of 2 syllables. So we also call them disyllabic words. Disyllabic words. If adjectives are disyllabic and ends with y, अगर कोई भी adjectives डबल syllable वाला हो और वो y से end होता हो, तो to change it into comparative degree we have to remove y, and in place of y we will put I and again er. Okay, like easy, in case of comparative degree we have to omit, we have to remove y, and we have to add ier. Okay, easy, easier, easiest. In case of superlative degree, remove y and add iest. Like healthy, 2 syllable word, healthy, 2 syllables. Again, healthier, healthiest. Remove I and add ier. Remove y and add ier. Remove y in superlative degree and add iest. Understood? But in case of double syllabic adjectives, if the adjectives which are double syllabic, if they do not end with y, then we have to add more plus adjective and most plus adjective. More plus adjective in comparative degree and most plus adjective in superlative degree. Like handsome, 2 syllabic word. In case of comparative degree, more handsome, more plus adjective handsome. Okay, and most handsome, most plus adjective in comparative degree. Now if the adjectives are of more than 2 syllable, 3 syllable adjectives, 4 syllabic words, they are called trisyllabics. Okay, so अगर कोई भी adjectives ट्राइसिलेबिक हो और उससे ज्यादा सिलेबल वाला वर्ड हो तो उसमें हम फिर से मोर प्लस द सेम एडजेक्टिव एंड मोस्ट प्लस द सेम एडजेक्टिव, लाइक इंटेलिजेंट मोर प्लस सेम एडजेक्टिव इंटेलिजेंट, एंड इन सुपरलेटिव डिग्री मोस्ट प्लस इंटेलिजेंट, मोस्ट प्लस सेम एडजेक्टिव इंटेलिजेंट, natural, more natural, most natural. Understood, students? I hope you have understood the formation of degrees of comparison of adjectives. Now we have to understand another degrees of adjective, that is irregular degrees of adjectives. So irregular degrees of adjectives are those adjectives which have different form in comparative and superlative degrees. They change themselves into new words, okay, unlike regular degrees of adjectives. Understood? Like in regular degrees of adjectives, we have same adjective words there. In positive degree also we have same, in comparative degree also we have same, in superlative degree also we have same. Like intelligent, in positive degree, more intelligent. So intelligent, same adjective is there also in comparative degree. In superlative degree, most intelligent. So same adjective is there. Okay, so we will make little bit changes by adding some words, by changing the structure of sentences, structure of adjectives, structure of adjective words to change into comparative and superlative in regular degrees of adjectives. But in irregular degrees of adjectives, we frame new words in each degree. Like positive degree, तो ये जो irregular degrees of adjective है ये हमें याद करना है. Okay, because it does not follow the grammatical structure as we have learned in regular degrees of adjective. Okay, so here good is positive degree, so comparative degree is better and superlative degree is best. Bad, positive degree worse, comparative degree worst, superlative degree. Little, positive degree less, comparative degree least, superlative degree. Many or much, दोनों, both of them are positive degree, and whenever both of them are changed in comparative degree, more we have to use, and when they are changed into superlative degree, most we have to use. Okay, now we are left with upward degree of adjectives and downward degree of adjectives that we will understand in class itself. Okay, students, so I hope you have understood the degrees of comparison of adjectives, and now you are able to form or frame the degrees of adjectives. You are able to change the degrees of adjectives from positive to comparative and comparative to superlative. So if still you have any doubts regarding the degrees of adjectives, then kindly raise your doubts during the class period. So this much for today's class. Thank you so much, students, for attending today's class. Thank you so much.